Engaging perimeter and area with the 5E model. All right, what are the 5 E's of the learning model? Engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. And for time's sake, I'm just going to click through the 5 stages and what they are. All right, perimeter and area unit using the 5E model. So we'll start by engaging the students with 3 pictures of before and after photos of living rooms. And hopefully we'll have conversations about which ones they like better, but we will also answer the questions, what is different in before and after photos? What do people need to know to make home renovations? And have you ever done or seen a home renovation? And I'm hoping we have conversations like, oh, I watched Trading Spaces or seen the Property Brothers, or I helped with my own room renovation. And then I have a home renovation reveal from the Ellen Show, and I'm just going to fast forward it. And here's the before, and then the after picture. And I would show them the whole video in a class situation. And then I will talk about the mock classroom renovation we are going to do, that we're going to divide the class up into groups, and they're going to have to buy fabric for the bulletin board. They're going to have to choose a paint color and paint, flooring, baseboard, and border around the whiteboard and window. Of course, we're not actually going to do all this, but we are going to pretend like we are. All right, and in the explore phase, students will explore the calculator, the ruler, the tape measure, and then they'll also get to listen to this perimeter and area song. I'm just going to fast forward it a little bit. Hopefully it'll come up shortly. And it does a similar thing with the area. Students will also explore area through this site. They have to do what is the area shape, and they look at that, and then they put what they think it is, and then they check their answer. And then they do a similar thing with the perimeter, and they can also check their answers for that. And in the explain phase, students get to share their finding. What do they think area is? What do they think perimeter is? And then they'll watch a math antics video which explains perimeter and area. And then the teacher will model finding area perimeter on a mock house plan. The teacher will start by modeling, and the students will complete it in pairs. And then if there's time permits, students will find the perimeter of the area, the desk, the locker, and doors together in partners. In the elaborate phase, this is where students practice. This is where they will be put into actual groups and responsible for renovating different parts of the room. They'll need to decide how much paint they need, how much carpet, or are they going to choose a different type of flooring? What are they going to do for the baseboards? They need bulletin board fabric, border for trim around the white board and the windows. Students, to see what students know individually, students will complete 3 short question worksheet with area and perimeter, similar to the one that we did in class. And then early finishers can play area blocks by Math Playground. And what happens is you have to make a shape that has an area of 16 and a perimeter of 16. And you continue to try to figure it out. And it tells me right now I have area of 6 and a perimeter of 10. And then you try to beat your opponent. And then we have the evaluate phase. And then the students will submit their 3-question worksheet for the teacher to evaluate. Before submitting the quiz, they will rate themselves a 1, 2, or 3. And then a 1, I need more help. 2, I get it, but I could use more practice. And 3, I could teach this to anyone. And we use the 1, 2, and 3 for our standard-based grading. And then the students will decide how they want to present their findings. Questions they will answer is what is area or perimeter of their object? How do you know which one you needed to use? And then what will it cost to renovate? And I'm not sure if we'll figure this out as a class or if this will be done in a group. It kind of depends on the class. All right. And then there's the universal design for learning. How does this lesson lend itself to it? Well, through the engagement process. Students get excited about learning through room designs and the song. And it's also a real world problem through the mock renovation. And then in the representation phase, content is presented through video, self-exploration, and pencil and paper. Content is also available for them to view again. And then there's student choice in submitting the final project. And these are my references and my picture references. And then I will also put the Prezi link available so that the videos and the websites can be accessed. Thank you.